Desert Dogs Garage and Metalworks. Today we are on the road and we're going to pick up a surprise. Good old classic. We'll show you when we get there, so just take a trip and enjoy the ride. So here's the classic that we picked up. I gotta get this camera switched around, so hang on. Here should be 1986 Heritage Softail. True, 1986. 29,000 miles on it. S&S carb, does not run right now, hasn't been running about 10, 12 years, but picked her up and gonna get her running. It's not mine, like none of these good bikes are mine, they're all my wife's. I just have the fun and pleasure to work on them. Yeah, got the tool bags on it. Yeah, she's a nice one. Great shape, paint's good, just dusty. Veteran owned.
You guys see that? There's my Dean getting wind for